Do you know what's strange? Out of all the things Allah created, mountains don't disobey Him. The oceans don't disobey Him. The stars never miss their place. Yet, from all of creation, Allah chose to give free will to you. Think about that. The one who controls galaxies cares about the choices of a single human being. Your choices, your heart, your direction. If that doesn't sound like attention, what does? Every day, Allah gives you something extraordinary, something so common that most people never notice it. A choice. You can listen or ignore. You can remember Him or forget Him or forget Him. You can move closer or walk away. Every single day, Allah allows you to decide, not because He needs you, but because He honors you. Think about the moments when your conscience speaks, that feeling that tells you, don't say that, don't do that, be better than this. Most people call it a thought, a feeling, a random moment. But what if it's more than that? What if it's a mercy, a reminder, a chance? Because Allah could have left your heart completely asleep, yet He still allows it to feel, still allows it to reflect, still allows it to care. And here's the part most people miss. Allah's attention isn't proven by how much money you have, or how easy your life is, or how many people admire you. The greatest sign of Allah's attention is that your heart still responds when His name is mentioned, that you still feel something, that you still search, that you still care. Because a dead heart doesn't search for Allah. Only a living one does. Right now, as you listen to these words, your heart is doing something remarkable. It's reflecting, it's questioning, it's looking beyond the distractions of this world. And maybe that's the sign you've been looking for. Not a miracle in the sky, not a voice from the clouds, not a dramatic event, but a heart that still turns toward its Creator, a heart that still wants Him, a heart that still remembers. So don't underestimate this moment, the fact that you still care about your relationship with Allah is itself a blessing, because the greatest loss isn't losing wealth. The greatest loss isn't losing status. The greatest loss is losing the desire to seek Allah, and the fact that you're still seeking Him today may be one of the clearest signs that Allah is giving your heart attention right now. If this message found you at the right moment, write in the comments, "My heart needed this," and share this light with someone who might be searching for a sign in the dark.